We have a beautiful wood-plated Johann Baptist Beha Cuckoo clock with a double fusée that I completely restored myself with the help of my fourth grader uh, daughter. Um, she actually cut the hole in the spring after I punched it out and filed it. Uh, Beautiful clock, works very well. It's almost ready to strike. You can see the massive spring barrels and the fusée cones. There's the other fusée. So it's a double fusée. Cuckoo pipes are original. The bird is original. The hands are original. And it's just a wonderful, wonderful piece. You can see here at the back. The front. I'm just waiting it to strike so I can let you hear it. It goes into warning. There it's gone into warning. This is about 200 years old. And it takes about roughly 1.5 minutes between the warning and the strike. So we'll have to wait for a few seconds more, about a minute more, and then we should hear the strike release. I can see the lift lever here. That's already beginning to lift. That's your L-shaped lever that you can see made of brass that's lifting off the cam. And once that releases, the cam will start spinning. If you can see the stop pin, it's in warning. There it goes. Thank you for watching.